Sun lovers, let the light in.
Hello, I'm Rosa Cortez. I'm construction manager. I'm responsible for working with the design engineer and the site surveyor to make the most accurate design for a solar panel placement and installation.
I'm Kylie Rogers, and I'm in charge of marketing and finances, so I manage the organization's resources.
Hi, I'm Giselle Ramirez. I'm the site surveyor and the design engineer. I have to understand the electric bill to find out how many solar panels you need on top of the roof.
Solar energy is a natural, clean energy resource. It leaves the air cleaner, saves money, and is eco-friendly. Solar panels take in the sun's rays and change the current from DC to AC, so it can go through the electrical panel and power the house. Then it goes to the net meter and back out onto the grid. Using solar energy is the best clean energy resource that we can find. The sun's rays seem to be never ending and continually produce enough energy within an hour to power the whole world for an entire year. Solar energy provides cleaner air, water, and soil. It helps the economy and reduces greenhouse gases, and our dependency on fossil fuels becomes lower. Solar energy helps the environment globally and reduces our carbon footprint. At our company, our #1 priorities are to save energy, reduce the world's carbon footprint, and save our customers money. We provide the design, supply the equipment, and install the panels. We do continuous monitoring and maintenance on the solar panels and guarantee long-term savings with a 25-year warranty on our panels. They are 50% more efficient than other companies.
For our client, we chose Dr. Eric Rieger, so I'd like to thank him for being here.
And there he is over there.
Our plan for this home, we chose to use 327 watt panels and we chose to use 18 modules. This equals a 5.9 kilowatt system. The roof is 1,280 square feet, but 1/3 is shaded, so we chose to use the side that wasn't, and that equals to 853 square feet. The strings, there are 2 strings, and they each contain 9 panels. That equals up to a 495 volts into each string. The azimuth is 160 degrees southeast, and the tilt is 23 degrees.
A 5.9 kilowatt system costs $31,270 with a 30% tax rebate. With about 9,381. Okay.
Sorry, hold up. Okay.
A 9.5 kilowatt system costs $31,270 with a 30% tax rebate. With about $9,381, which saves our client $2,274, the system in total will cost $21,889 and has an offset of 9,475 kilowatt hours. Using these solar panels is similar to saving 735 gallons of gasoline consumed, or 7,000 pounds of coal burned.
At Oxnard High School, we have a solar system. The system that is there is a ground tracker, meaning that it tracks the sun throughout the day. This system contains 1 megawatt, and it covers over 6 acres. It is 1 out of 6 systems that is owned by OUHSD. Altogether, all 6 systems saves $44 million. It costed $23 million altogether and end up making a saving of $21 million together.
Academy impact. Expanding knowledge. Calculations. We learned how to calculate mathematical problems, and we barely figured how to do that when we came to the academy on Monday. They taught us how to calculate the azimuth, the area of the roof, and the electricity bill. Kilowatt kilowatts or kilowatt hours. They taught us the difference between those and megawatts. The azimuth. They taught us how to get the azimuth, which is the degrees of the roof. Presentation skills. They taught us how to get good eye contact and stare at you guys and tell you what we know. Confidence. They taught us how to believe in ourselves and they taught us how we can present ourselves and know what we're talking about. Simple. They told us how to keep our slides simple instead of putting so many facts on there and making you read it all. Instead, we have them on our flashcards and are explaining them to you. Public speaking skills. We have loud voices so people in the back can hear us and they're not like, what are they talking about? We have no idea. No backs turned. Instead of us facing the screen and our backs turned to you and our voices being projected at the monitor, we're speaking out to you guys and looking at you guys. Know what we're talking about. Don't just wing it. Don't be like, it's about this and that. Know what we're talking about. Leadership skills. They taught us how to be leaders. They taught us how to make our own company and how to manage it and help the other people in our group. Teamworking skills. Building. We built as a team a solar oven. We had to help each other out when we didn't know what we were doing. Interactions. We interacted with the other groups. We learned how they work together and it was different from the way we worked. We'd like to thank all of you guys for coming here and being such a great audience. Thanks. We'd like to thank Ms. McQuaid for helping us out and listening to this and correcting us on the things that we messed up on. Ms. Clinton for organizing this and giving us the time and the room. Renee from SunPower, thank you for your notes on our slide and thank you for helping us out. Mary from BioLink, Ryan, thank you. You're amazing. Lindsay from BioLink, thank you for helping us out too. There you are. Isabel, thank you. You gave us confidence. Mostly me, I needed that. Gene Haas Foundation, I asked you a lot of questions yesterday. Sorry about that. And the United Way of Ventura County for giving us this nice place to speak to you guys about green technology. And thank you, Dr. Reger, for being our client.